In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the easiest way to connect your WooCommerce store to Google Gemini using the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. With this setup, your AI assistant can securely interact with your store data and help manage crypto payments. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We're a privacy-first crypto payment solution. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here for you 24/7. Now let's dive into the tutorial. All right, let's get started. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Once you're there, open the Advanced tab and select Features. Now scroll down until you see the WooCommerce MCP option and go ahead and enable it. After that, click Save Changes. Perfect. Next, switch over to the REST API Keys tab. We're going to generate a new API key pair, so just follow along. Great. All right, let's connect Postman to your WooCommerce MCP endpoint. Create a new post request. For the URL, enter your MCP endpoint. Next, under Headers, add content-type as application/JSON. Then add your API key pairs. Now go to Body, choose Raw and JSON, then paste the sample Initialize code. Perfect, click Send. And there you go, everything's working correctly. After your Initialize request is successful, go to the Headers tab in the Response section. Look for a header called MCP Session ID. Copy and paste it into your post request headers using the same header name. Perfect. Now go to the Body tab and paste the sample code provided here. This request asks the MCP server to list all available WooCommerce tools, helping us verify that the integration is working correctly. This part is super simple. In Postman, look to the left sidebar and click on the AI icon. That opens the chat interface, which gives you a direct connection to Gemini through your MCP server. From here, you can do all kinds of things, like adding products, retrieving WooCommerce data, or even asking questions related to crypto payments. For example, here Gemini asks for approval before adding this new Apple product. And just from chat, I'm able to manage my WooCommerce store very easily. Now let's head over to WooCommerce products and verify it. And there you go. The product has been successfully added. Let's see another live example. Test transaction. Now I'll head back to the chat and ask for the transaction status. This approach is incredibly powerful because Gemini automatically handles most of the technical work behind the scenes. Instead of manually writing API requests, checking documentation, or building custom scripts, you can simply describe what you want in plain English. What makes this even better is that Gemini still keeps you in control. Whenever an action could modify store data or perform an important operation, it asks for confirmation before proceeding. So you get the speed and convenience of AI automation without losing visibility or control over your store. Thank you so much for watching.